National Day blog posts. There are so many National Days out there, and they're really, really easy to use for social media posts. There'll always be something you could, for social media and blog posts. There'll always be something that you can engage with. I use brownielocks.com. It's got every single day, week and month you'll ever need to know. There's like 5 National Days per day. If you've got a team of people, why not go with the National Ice Cream Day and share which favourite ice cream each of your team like? Because what you're doing is getting people to know who your team are. People buy people. So by getting to know your team more, then it's easier to engage and buy from. But then you've got other days like National Health and Safety Day, National Care for Your Team Day, National Customer Care Day. So use posts like that to show how you care for your customers and for your clients and so on.